Asibal, pass to Palma. Short jumper, wala pa sa Viva by number 18. Yes, sir. Good pass by Kevin. Di ba lang kinig-kinig? Asibal. Pass to Tarayo. Short jumper. So good rebound by Arapolo. Ang bola. Pagawa pa rin ni Arapolo. Number 21 takes the win. Rebound by Cordelia. Score 77 against 65. Lamang pa rin ang post out. Pass to Jimmy. There was a black. Oh, there was a foul. Timeout, referee. So, wala na. Rebound by Arangolo. Pass to PJ. Foul na. Wala. Rebound by number 18. The ball stays in Sparta. Oh, black by Yuki. PJ to Akibat. Ang kata ng pasa. Ang galing. Mga player na got first. Tarayo, Suzuki. Balik to Tarayo. 3 points by Tarayo. Para mga sinalaktak, nagkulang na, kalakan. Ang mga bola na bola ni Arapolo. So at least, iba, Cordelia, the women of walk out, back to Yuki. Pass sa ilalim, number 23, up and under, good. Rebound by Asibar, pass to Palma. Stop and back. Ang dami na naman si Palma, no? Yuki. Lumang bilis na si Palma, wala? Cordelia, pass to the corner, Tarayo, back to Cordelia, balik kay Tarayo, tumira ang Torres, wala, kasama na si PJ, 3-1 situation, good for 2 baskets by PJ, the score is 81 against 74, lamang pa rin ang cross eye. Tarayo to Tarayo. Back to Cordelia. Wala. Arangolo with a rebound. Pass to Palma. Palma ulit. Wala na. Rebound by Tarayo. Low. Bakit tayo mo nalamunan? Palma. Wala. Nakuha ni Tarayo. Pass to number 23, Michael Jordan. Reverse layup. No good. Cordelia. Oh, nakaka ni PJ. PJ. Pass to Arapolo. Pass to Palma. Wala, kulang na. Tarayo, with the ball, still by Palma. Palma, katawan, sabi ni Palma. Bigaya ng katawan, aray ko. Oh, there was a foul. Number 29, Arapolo. That's your second personal foul. Second team foul. Spark. Number 23. Kain na mo daw.
Matayin naman.
Wala. Ang kawag bola sa ilalim. Nakuha ni Nuki. Number 23 ulit. Wala pa rin. Arapolo.
Ano ba yan?
Wala. Arapolo. Rule back by Arapolo. Osila Chichen. Good for 2 lasted. Tama na lang naman. Last 52 seconds. Oh, galing. Umahabol. Ang gawang bola. Oh, gawang sa whistle. Sa Bisaya, whistle. Who's foul? Number 6. Number 6, congratulations! That's your big personal foul. Beating foul, Spartan. Apat na lang sana laban. Ano ba yun? Tarayo. Oh, number 2 foul. Number 18, wanting for penalty. Spartan. Number 18, that's your second personal foul. Tarayo. Ayaw nila mag-foul. Oh. Palma, that's your first personal foul. Penalty, Mr. Referee. 2 free throws for Tarayo. Nakuha mo ni Tarayo. Yuki! Kala ko'y nagat na. Ang kulang lang. BJ lang.
Manalo yung Busar Green.
Score, Leroy Green. Panalo ang All-Star. Best player for tonight. Number 7, Tarayo.
Ito, display, Tarayo.
Grabe si Tarayo. 38 points.